on one more law. Please write down. This is very important for sales also. Law of belief. What is it called? Okay, I am the same person for the last 40 years. Okay, I am the same person when I was born. But over the period of my life and your life, only thing is our belief systems have changed. How many of you agree with me? When I was a BDS, I thought I am just a BDS. I was also thinking just a BDS only. Okay. When I was finishing my college, I was thinking like anyone, what is my life? The big question mark was standing, whether to go to PG or go to Thuthukudi or go to somewhere abroad. Even I tried going to UK and all that. I was not knowing anything, very confused, nobody to help, nobody to guide, because nobody told to go and ask me. Nobody trained me. Thambi, if you have a problem, ask the seniors. Thambi, you have a problem, ask a mentor. Thambi, you have a problem, suppose you want to go to UK, ask a person in UK. Don't ask a person in Amanjikarai. UK person can guide you better. But I have not having any links, because I was not doing any I would have, see, one of my friend went there, because she has done something extra than me, right? I was believing wrong things. This is called law of belief. What you believe, I am fit for this only, life this are all belief system. Belief system change ponna, enakku money problem eppome irukum, enakku ivladhan talent, I cannot do full mouth cases. See, that belief system, when it will break, when you do a CAD-CAM based CBCT guide, the first implant you place, the first day only your belief is broken, because who has to break the belief? Okay, in one of my training programs which I attended, generally I want to incorporate some, because time factor is very less. Generally all the motivation programs and all that goes for 3 days to 4 days. But here in boot camp, after 100 boot camps only people will know what is boot camp. Then they will pay me extra to arrange things. See, the thing is I have limited resources also. Yes, I am asking every one of you to kindly share some good things about this boot camp to others. That is the one reciprocation I want from all of you, not your money or anything. Why? Because I am doing this with a good intention, because I want the overall dental field to come up, not only in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, for the whole India. Because everyone is aware of the social concerns, like we are blaming patient, no, patient is Bhargav. You see any WhatsApp group or Facebook group, I am in lot of groups, Bhargav, you know about me. Okay, I don't want to mention the name of any groups, but many groups, no, they curse the profession. They think it is joking, but it is a mockery. Their belief systems is wrong and their roots are wrong. Somebody has conditioned them like that. Okay, even your patients come with the same wrong beliefs. See, before convincing the patient, you are actually changing the belief system of the patient. It is very difficult to do. Only by effective communication, only when he thinks, yes, sir, solradhu correct da. But now, most of the people, when I call you for boot camp, you give a lot of reasons to me. Now, why not to come? Yes or no? Sir, there are so many things I have to work upon you. And I have to be patient also. I know I should not give up. Okay. So, law of belief says, okay, suppose I'll tell you something. Belief. Even I was believing I am limited. See, the belief system will be decided by your external factors, the amount of income you are generating, the amount of degree you are holding, the amount of house you are living, the husband you have, the wife you have, the children you have, decides your belief system. So when you want to change something in real, first change your belief system. Okay, how to change the belief system? Okay, I will give one practical example here. Okay, when I am going to convince a patient, I have to first change my belief system. Most of us, we approach, he is not going to take treatment anyway, he will bargain. We are judges. We should not judge a person. Because a lot of patients have taught me, don't judge me. Looking at a patient and their dress and everything, sometimes I feel, is coming in a lungi, but he will just put one big amount. Those days, I am talking before pre-monetization, he put a bunch of 1 lakh, 2 lakh like this and go. And he will say, I will come after 1 month and do. Take the money. We will do like this, money like that. He will break my belief there by his action. So you have to, he must be thinking dentist means just a dentist only. Okay, name some wrong beliefs of patients. Dentistry is costly, it is waste of money, just remove the teeth. Can you add up with what I say? Please add up. Dentistry takes time. Anything? Dentistry is painful. Compromising. Nothing is going to happen. Anything? See, these are all the good things, you know. These are the things we have to address him. Okay, I have made a video for a child, made a marketing video. Today I will show you how to make a marketing video. After this class, I will show you some few practical tips on how to take a marketing video. It's all there in the internet. I can transfer the screen and show you. Okay, remind me. I made a video. In that video, for a child, what are the child dentist problems? Paal pallu thane. Idu ulundana molaikum. People are not bothered about the paal pal at all. Ada ponga sir, adu vilundu molaikum sir. Alla appdi po sariyaidu sir. Namma oorla there is a saying, जाते जाते सब ठीक हो जाएगा, चलते चलते ठीक हो जाएगा, पोगे पोगे एल्ला सरियायिडुम, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. This is also a belief system. They are giving you a sense of belief system only. है ना? Okay. The point here is, in that video, I have made a point saying that இது பால் பல் தானே என்று அலட்சியமாக இருக்கிறீர்களா? This is milk tooth only. Like that are you? See, I am putting a response to his belief system in advance. In advance only I am telling. You might think like this. You might think, what is the big deal? You might think I can manage with the other teeth. But you know what will be the effect? This is how your marketing message goes. So if you know how to communicate only, you can write a marketing brochure also. Okay. Okay, I am going to give a small homework just now. Can any one of you or all of you write a marketing brochure for clear aligner? Just quickly. Take a notes paper, white paper fully. You have to create a advertisement.